Behind me is the famous Matterhorn. Here we are, Switzerland. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Switzerland and these are the Swiss Alps. I am so excited to hike and get after them today. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. But I just wanted to do a quick video of what you eat in a day hiking in the Swiss Alps. So first we're gonna have breakfast. I had oatmeal and banana and a little bit of granola. It was so good. You have to start your day off with a great nutritious meal. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned for the rest of this video because it's about to be awesome. We're gonna have a great day hiking in the mountains. I mean, look at them. I really hope you're excited because I am exploding with happiness, so buckle up. The watch has been started. The hike is going. Here we go. What are your thoughts for the day, Memphis? I'm so excited. We are starting this hike on a wonderful dirt path. We've asked a lot of locals about where to go because the trails here are pretty confusing, but we won't get lost. We got it. We have many maps in our pockets. Making our way up. All right, we're 45 minutes into the hike and I decided it was time for some water and maybe some granola. Hey, snack stop number one, just had some water. We are 45 minutes in. Now I'm gonna have some mixed nuts and then I made these granola wafer things and they are so delicious. So I bought these oats and fibrous like wafers and then I put peanut butter and a little bit of Nutella in the middle and made a sandwich. They are so delicious, so good, and it's protein packed, perfect for the trail. And then I have some trail nuts. Made it to an official trail. Here we go, Swiss Alps. Here we go. You're ripping it. Good job.
Ciao.
Wait a Lovato.
What is that?
He laughed at me. That means good job in Italian. And he said ciao. There are so many mountain bikers. Just absolutely ripping it. Wow. That's so cool. Meanwhile, here we are. All right, we're walking straight up. Literally, very straight up. I'm like, what, 3 steps ahead of you?
Like 5 feet above.
In like 5 feet. Yeah. We're just gonna keep crushing it to our little town, and then once we hit the town, we have like a 2-hour loop around, and in that loop we're gonna hit like a bunch of different lakes and incredible views. So that's where we're going. It's gonna take 2 hours to get to the town, then 2 hours hike, and then probably 2 hours down. But we're at 1.5 hours total, so we should be getting to the town fairly soon. Another water break, another little snack break. Here we are. Whoa. Spot. We're at a beautiful lake in the Swiss Alps. And for lunch today, I have a solid peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I already dug into because it just is delicious. And then I also have an apple and a kiwi and then some more of that granola. So we'll see how much I eat for lunch. The next addition to lunch is a entire kiwi. Yes, you have to eat the skin. It's just a lot easier. Another aspect that is great to have on the trails is Liquid IV. Use code AnnieLawrence for a discount. And right now I'm just gonna pour this in to 32 ounces of water, and it will keep me hydrated, and I think it's absolutely delicious as well. So just pour this in, shake it up, and you are good to go. Like it's water. It's like the most grayish blue color I have ever witnessed. The one thing that we forgot on this trip was sunscreen. So to save my shoulders from a bunch of pain, I put my pants over them because they're starting to get pink. So just excuse the look over here. I just had a little bit of a snack, another one of those oatmeal sandwich peanut butter protein ball sandwiches, I guess we'll just call them. Very delicious, very good. So 3 hours and 45 minutes up. Who knows how long down. We'll make it, we'll make it. All right, I'm gonna tell you right now, book a trip to Switzerland right now. It is absolutely gorgeous and you will never ever regret it. We are at 3 hours and 22 minutes and almost 6 miles. Little break. Aww. Alright, I cut my leg and it looks like a perfect Z for Zermatt, Switzerland, which is where we are living. Isn't that ironic? I think that's very cool. My pants almost went in the water. Maybe we will get back before the sun sets because we're gonna try and go here in 1 hour and 20. So wish us luck. But look at this map sign. I think it's so cool.
Life is unfathomably amazing.
Another water break because we're just getting parched. So I have this much water left, and this is still from the Liquid IV. We still have quite a bit of the hike to go. I'm not really sure how much, but I'm gonna try and save my remaining nuts until I absolutely need them. French, German, Italian, and English. Right there, all on one side. That's where we live, down there. We're getting so much closer. Let's get it. 9 miles later, and we have made it back to civilization. Here's my watch right now. 9.81 miles, 5 hours and 15 minutes. We made it back. Now it's time to make some pasta. So last night we made pasta, and tonight we're also making pasta, so I don't even have to recook the noodles because they're already cooked. So I'm just gonna warm it up, warm some sauce up, and cut up a pepper to put in. So all of that stuff came from Italy, just to save money because Switzerland is very expensive. And dinner, it is 6:23 and we are eating dinner. Here we go. Memphis, what are you having tonight?
I am having
Arugula?
arugula and bell peppers with pesto and pasta.
Perfect. Bowl number 2, pasta. And then I found these and I'll probably have one. It's a rice cake with a little bit of chocolate on top. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. This was kind of what we eat in a day on a hiking trip in the Swiss Alps. Obviously every day is a little bit different, but that's what I ate today and it was great. So stay tuned for more videos and have a great day.